In the name of Allah, the most beneficial and the most merciful. Now let us understand the relationship between speed, time and distance. Speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. This tells us if we know any two parameters, we can easily find the third. And that's not all, it tells a lot more. If one of the parameters is constant, then the other two are related to each other in a special way. Now let's assume that distance is constant. If d is constant, and speed is increased by some factors, then time will be decreased by the same factor. Let's take an example to understand this. Let's see you travel from your home to the school at 40 km per hour, and distance to the school is 40 km. So you will take 1 hour to reach school. On the way back, you will travel 20 kilometers per hour. The distance is not changing, it will remain 40. As the speed is 20 km per hour, the time taken to reach back home will be 2 hours. What do you notice here? The speed is scaled down by a factor of 2 and time is scaled up by the factor of 2. If d is constant and speed is multiplied by a factor, then time will be divided by the same factor. This is called inverse variation. What happens if speed is constant? If speed is constant and time is scaled up by a factor, then the distance will also be scaled up by the same factor. 20 times 3 is 60 and 20 times 6 is 120. When t is multiplied by 2, then the d is also multiplied by 2. This is called direct variation. And similarly, if t is constant and speed is increased by a factor, then distance is also increased up by some factor. This is again direct variation. Both increasing or decreasing direct, and one increase and other decrease is inverse variation. This is important. You need to understand this well. Let's take a few more examples. We know that speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. Let's assume that speed is constant. 4 times 3 is equal to 12 and 4 times 6 is equal to 24. The speed is constant, the time is scaled up by a factor of 2 and the distance is also scaled up by a factor of 2. So when speed is constant and time is multiplied by 2, the distance will also multiplied by 2. If distance is multiplied by 4, and then the time taken will also multiplied by 4. And what about the case time is constant? When time is constant, we can say that speed and distance are directly proportional. When time taken is constant and speed is multiplied by 2, the distance will also scale up by 2. And the distance is multiplied by 3, the speed will also increase by a factor of 3. This is direct variation again. And what happens if distance is constant? If the speed is multiplied by 2, then the time taken multiplied by 1/2 or divided by 2. If the time taken is multiplied by 3, then speed will also multiplied by 1/3. This is a direct variation. Take an example when distance is constant. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 and 6 times 2 is equal to 12. The distance is constant, the speed is scaled up by 2, time taken is multiplied by 1/2. This is a simple concept which helps us solving the time, speed, distance problem very quickly, especially when one parameter is constant. So make sure you understand it clearly.